Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to change hue. So for example, I will create rectangle and you can set for the color, like I will choose the green color. And the second, we insert the image into this canvas. Now if you want to change hue in this rectangle, you can select the layer and then go to edit menu, click tonal corrections, and then you can click hue, saturation, or luminosity. You can click here to change hue. For the image, you can select for the image layer and then we can rasterize. After it, go back to the edit menu, click tonal corrections, and then click hue saturation. Click this bar to change the hue. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to change hue.